In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track dead deals in Pipedrive in 3 minutes. If you've ever wondered where those inactive or dead opportunities go and how to keep an eye on them without cluttering your active pipeline, this quick walkthrough is for you. First, head to the left-hand sidebar in Pipedrive and select Deals. This is your central hub for everything related to opportunities, both active and inactive. Opening deals gives you a clear overview of your pipeline, but for dead deals specifically, we'll switch the way we view things so you can focus on what's no longer moving forward. Once you're in the deals area, look toward the top left of the screen. You'll see your view options there. These options let you change how deals are displayed so you can zero in on exactly what you need. For tracking dead deals, choose the archive view. By default, most dead or inactive deals will land in this archive, which keeps your active pipeline clean while still preserving a complete history. Inside the archive view, you can interact with each deal just like you would with any other. That means you can review its details, see the full activity timeline, read through notes, check associated files, and understand exactly why it went inactive. This is a great place to learn from past outcomes, what worked, what didn't, and whether there's any follow-up worth considering down the line. Because it mirrors the standard deal experience, you don't lose any context or visibility just because a deal is no longer active. If a deal shows new signs of life, you're not stuck with it in the archive. You can unarchive it whenever you need to. Unarchiving simply brings the deal back into your active workspace, ready for renewed attention and next steps. This flexibility makes the archive a safe holding area rather than a dead end, so your team can revisit opportunities without rebuilding anything from scratch. Using the archive view in this way keeps your pipeline focused on what's moving now, while still letting you track patterns in deals that didn't close. It helps with forecasting, training, and process improvements, because you retain full visibility into historical performance and reasons for inactivity. So to recap, go to Deals in the left sidebar, find the view options at the top left, switch to the archive view, interact with those deals just like normal, and unarchive any that come back to life. And there you go.